Hello guys, welcome to my timeline Kenya. It's been a minute, but we are back, and today I will be showcasing a true hidden gem in Nanyuki known as Chui Cottage. This cottage is located about 45 minutes away from Nanyuki town and less than 25 minutes from Timau town. This trip was organized by Timeline Expeditions, and you can check out their socials for more hidden gems in Nanyuki and Kenya at large. This front porch is the focal point of this cottage because of the views. On a clear day like today, you get some breathtaking views of Mount Kenya from this porch. One of the highlights of staying in Chui Cottage is that you get complimentary pizza and a pizza cooking class during your stay. The resident chef will take you through the different processes of making pizza and even let you participate if you are interested. Let me give you a quick tour of what you get inside the cottage. This cottage comes with 4 bedrooms and it can comfortably accommodate between 8 to 10 guests. Inside this lounge area, we have a large projector screen and a well-curated selection of classic movies. There is also a surround system to give you a proper movie cinema feeling when watching movies. Another highlight in this cottage is the professional grade tennis court that comes with all the proper equipment. In case you have never played tennis, it is a fun game, but it will surely test your physical fitness with the running up and down in the court. The cottage also comes with bicycles of different sizes, and this is another fun activity you can engage in while staying here. The cottage is set in a 140-acre farm, and there are bicycle trails, and if you are feeling adventurous, you can try and challenge yourself to go around the entire property. This is Chui Hill, and there are also hiking trails created for you to explore the property. The top of the hill is one great place to catch sundowners. There are some private conservancies around the cottage, and you get to enjoy some wildlife views on your way to and from the cottage. If the adventure at the cottage is not enough, you can book a day hike to Ngarendare Forest Reserve, which is located only 3 kilometers away from the cottage. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Stick around for more amazing content and see you on the next one.